How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about why is your stomach making loud growling noises. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So I had this before, you guys. My stomach was making extremely loud noises. It wasn't necessarily happening because I was hungry. So I'll go over a couple of different reasons why this is happening. The first one is obviously you're hungry. If you go for long periods of time and your body gets super hungry, then your stomach usually will make a loud growling sound. And I had this happen lots of times because before I started bodybuilding and powerlifting, I would never eat breakfast in the morning. And come lunchtime, I didn't eat and my stomach would make loud noises. So obviously being hungry, that can cause it. The second one, digesting. Your body, when you just eat food, your body can make loud sounds because your body is digesting the food you have just eaten or just ate. So that is super common too. Third one, you might have ate your food way too fast. If you eat your food way too fast, it can cause loud growling noises as well. The last one is upsetting your stomach or high fiber content. I noticed when I was consuming high fiber in my diet, I got loud stomach growling. So have a look at your fiber content. How much fiber are you consuming? This could happen if you went from a very unhealthy diet to a super healthy diet, because healthy foods are usually high in fiber. And if you go from eating like no fiber to a really high fiber diet, that can cause your stomach to make really loud noises. And I know because I did the exact same thing. So just watch your fiber. If you are increasing your fiber, do it slowly throughout the week. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.